Okay, it's Maxie's turn now. He is gonna do some tricks. Babae na lalaki. Pareho mo ning lalaki ning duha. Oh, turn around. Oh, yay! Clap, 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 clap.
Oh, clap hands.
Oh, shake hands. Oh, wow! Clap, girls. Clap, clap. What's next, Maxie? Wala, kabalo na mo roll down doon, nak. Sige daw, be. Sige daw, be. Come on, girls. Cheer them up.
Okay, down. Down. Maxie,
Maxie, wala kay practice, Maxie, no?
down. Down. Maxie, down.
Okay, clap, girls. Clap. Clap. Good job, Maxie.
Roll over, Maxie.
Roll over. All right. Good job, Maxie. Kasaba sa pedicab. Oy. Yay!
Ipasit na stage. Stay niya, ipasit.
Kuya Asi, assistant.
Ipa-down niya, ipa-stage. Ipa-stay na stage.
Sige daw, be. Sige daw, be. Show your tricks.
Maxie.
Show your tricks, doggies.
Your time.
So, Mon and LJ, what do you think of our dogs? What do you think, Mon? Good. Do you think that they're doing their job? Yeah, they're following command, no? Sige, what else?
Your time there.
Good. Oh, shake hands daw yun, oh.
Good.
So, tulo lang ka-tricks ang yang naibawaan. Shake hands.
Down. Okay, stay.
Stay, oh.
Stay.
Oh, very good. Good job, Maxie. Kung naay stranger, nga muaw-aw gina sila kabalo sila muaw-aw, when to aw-aw. Nga when to attack.
Ay, kanang wala gito na silang attack.
Kuan lang gyud, being friendly lang gina sila.
Tutorial ko rin, ang mga bata may mga attack mo.
So what do you think, Jay?
Stay.
What do you think, Jay? Approve, Jay? High five. High five. Good job.